Hello guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to make a simple book breakdown structure in Primavera. So let's dive into it. Alright, so once you open your Primavera, then you will see your screen like this. So we're gonna go to the EPS construction Primavera P6 training, right click, then click add, and then select EPS, just that's the right one, project ID SS1. Basically single story one, just a random number. Project name, single story building. Click next, standard, and then click finish. Right, once you have that EPS, right click, open project, and now you're on activity tab. Right from here, we need to do our WBS first. So we're gonna go to the left side, click this WBS. Alright, then we're gonna start to our WBS, right click, click add, and the first one that will be civil. Services. Then right click, another WPS, substructure. And then do the same process. Roofing. Can also go to the single story building and click insert in keyboard. The roofing, facade. Finishing. Services. The last one will be closing work. Right, after the WBS is done, I'm gonna add all the activity. Just move your mouse to activity tab, and then you can see that we just need to add the activity from here. Right, so to start with, click civil and site services, right click, add, and the first activity that will be dilapidation report. Right, and basically from here I'll just press insert from my keyboard, and then let's go with service establishment. So, and earthwork can be done at the same time, site clearing and doing earthwork at the same time. Then we want to substructure. Basically, we have footings, then we have a ground slab, and under superstructure will be erect structure, steel frame. So this combination of the column as well as the roof structure. The next one, erect column. That's for superstructure. Moving into roofing. Fix, shovel, and gutter. Then next one, ladder roof sheeting. This ladder roofing, sheet and cap. window facade. This is installation. External paper. External windows and doors. Then there'll be external painting. Then under finishing and services, start with services. Line. That'll be services. New activity. Then the next one, services, painting. Then lastly is then closing work. We have this mission and rectification. One plane. And lastly, construction complete. Alright, this is basically the WPS and as well as the activity of the project. And then after that, we're gonna fill up the original duration of this activity. And then after that, we're gonna move on to duration. So the first one, origin dilapidation report, is usually doesn't take long, so I'll just give it 1 day. And then site establishment, it can take up to 5 days. And then clearing and site work, we just leave it 5 days. Footings, let's make it 7 days. Ground slab, make it 7 days. And then erect structural steel frame, I'll put it in days. Building, that'll be 3 days. Then fascia board, that'll be 2 days. Shearing, 3 days. 2 days. For the facades installation, doesn't take long, usually 2 days, be enough. And the external brickwork, that'll be 7 days. External windows and door, 3 days. External painting, 2 days. The roughing services, let's just leave it 5 days. Wall and ceiling, I'll put this 10 days. Fit off services, that'll be 5 days. Painting, just leave it 3 days. Flooring, that'll be 10 days. Testing and commissioner will be 5 days. Second work activation 5 days. Final clean 3 days. And construction complete. It is small become finish milestone. I'll just leave it 0 days. Alright. And then the next one, we're gonna link them together, this activity. So for the site services, and then it's just gonna go down here while pressing shift, direction report, then shift, site clearing, right click, click activity, just link them together. Facade as well. Right, and alright, so we're gonna link this when flowing down and the testing commissioning start, or even actually fit of services done, and testing commissioning can start. And then I'll just link them, and then go on to give it notification, link them together, external painting, start. Let's go to the top, see where it's at, calculations, and click that, but we can start. Select finish, erect the structural steel, the activity, erect pulling, then this can start, flashing and capping, then the external work can start, or external painting, rough in services, flashing and capping done, rough in services can start, link activity. And for this one, external painting, there'll be defect notification. Right, after done the finish, then we go to tool schedule, press enter, and then you can see it's all linked together. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. So as you can tell, this is our program. So the red line, the red color is being shown the critical path. Alright, so if you just drag this, you can see all this column, predecessor, successor, and here's a total float. Alright, put this back here. Alright, we've done the WPS activity, duration, as well as putting the logic. This is basically the simplest way that you can do all by learning Primavera, doing the work breakdown structure. Alright guys, that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.